Welcome to our GPU showdown. Today we're diving deep into the specifications and performance of two popular graphics cards: the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT and the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 EVO. We'll explore their features, performance metrics, and which one might be the best fit for your gaming needs. Let's get started. When it comes to memory capacity, the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT boasts a significant advantage with 12 GB of GDDR6 memory compared to the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060's 8 GB. This larger memory can be beneficial for high-resolution gaming and demanding applications, allowing for better performance in memory-intensive scenarios. However, the RTX 4060 offers advanced features that may offset this difference in certain gaming environments. The ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 shines with its support for NVIDIA's DLSS 3 and ray tracing capabilities, providing enhanced graphical fidelity and performance in supported games. In contrast, the PowerColor Fighter RX 6750 XT, while offering strong performance in traditional rasterization, lacks these advanced features. This means that in games utilizing ray tracing and DLSS, the RTX 4060 may deliver a superior experience despite its lower memory capacity. In terms of power efficiency, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 is designed to be more power efficient compared to the PowerColor Fighter RX 6750 XT. This can lead to lower electricity bills and less heat generation, making it a better choice for users concerned about power consumption. The RX 6750 XT, while powerful, may require a more robust power supply and could lead to higher operational costs over time. In conclusion, both the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT and the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 EVO have their strengths and weaknesses. The RX 6750 XT offers more memory and raw performance, while the RTX 4060 excels with its advanced features like DLSS 3 and ray tracing. Depending on your gaming needs and preferences, one may be more suitable than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.